Looking for the best airless paint sprayers to achieve smooth, professional quality results? In this video, we review the top airless paint sprayers for both DIYers and professionals, focusing on performance, spray control, and finish quality. Whether you're painting walls, fences, cabinets, or large exterior surfaces, these powerful sprayers deliver fast coverage with minimal overspray. Watch till the end to find the best airless paint sprayer for your budget and project needs. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best airless paint sprayers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Wagner Control Pro 170 Airless Paint Sprayer. This powerful stationary sprayer is ideal for large exterior projects, including painting the walls of your house, staining a wooden deck, painting a fence, or giving an outdoor shed a makeover. It features high-efficiency airless technology that decreases overspray by as much as 55% yet still gives a very even, smooth coat of paint, primer, or stain. You can adjust the pressure to achieve the speed that works best for your project. Go slow when working around more detailed areas and speed up when painting a long, flat surface. And the included 30-foot hose is long enough for maneuvering around your worksite comfortably. If you need even more length, such as to paint the second story of a house, you can use a 60-foot hose instead. Draw your paint from a 1-gallon or 5-gallon can. No need to thin it beforehand. You can use this sprayer for most paints and stains as is. It comes with one standard 515 paint tip, which is ideal for most typical paints and solid stains. Still, if you are going to spray transparent or semi-transparent stains, lacquers, or polyurethane, then you'll want one of the other tip sizes recommended by Wagner. There are 5 other sizes to choose from, all sold separately. While we do wish this sprayer had an adapter so a garden hose could be used to clean it, it's still no more difficult than most other airless paint sprayers to flush and clean at the end of your project, especially if you clean it right away before leftover paint begins to dry. Wagner recommends the sprayer for up to 300 gallons of paint per year so that you can take on multiple large projects with ease. While it's ideal for exterior use, you can also use this airless paint sprayer for large indoor painting projects if desired. Graco True Coat 360 Cordless Connect Handheld Paint Sprayer. If you want to give interior or outdoor furniture a makeover but don't want to deal with a heavy-duty paint sprayer, then this ingenious model from Graco is perfect for your needs. All you need is a cordless handheld drill with a minimum of an 18-volt battery, and you're good to go. No more tripping over hoses and cords. An airless paint sprayer is at your fingertips. You control it by squeezing the trigger on your cordless drill. Note that the paint sprayer itself has no pressure or speed control, but you can adjust the spray pressure by changing the speed settings on your drill. It comes with 2 tips, one wide spray for paint and one wide spray for stains. Graco sells additional tips for narrow spray patterns separately. The sprayer has a 32-ounce canister to hold paint, which is enough for many small jobs. Graco recommends using this sprayer for projects that require no more than 2 gallons of paint and up to a maximum of 25 gallons of paint annually. That's plenty for painting furniture, but of course, you can also use the sprayer to paint a wall, cabinets, trim, or even a fence. Even better, the sprayer works at any angle, even upside down, which makes it much easier to paint the insides of a bookshelf, around the edges of a drawer, or other detailed work. And you'll get a smooth application of paint without excessive overspray. Titan Control Max High Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer. If you're looking for a paint sprayer that can tackle large projects quickly, consider this one from Titan. During testing, this stationary airless sprayer took just 10 minutes to paint a big chest of drawers, and we were thrilled with the incredibly smooth, polished result. While this model is great for big projects, such as staining an outdoor deck or giving a wooden fence a new coat of paint, they can also be used on ceilings and interior walls. You'll especially love the sprayer if you are painting a popcorn-textured ceiling, which can be especially challenging with a roller. The sprayer draws paint directly from a 1-gallon or 5-gallon paint can, and the included 30-foot hose, it can take as long as 80 feet of hose if desired, makes reaching even high ceilings a breeze. You can adjust the pressure to find the right spray speed for your needs, which is very helpful when working along the upper edges of walls or directly overhead on the ceiling. After adjusting, we discovered that the spray's force and speed were ideal for our latex paint and didn't need to change it again during the project. Thanks to Titan's high-efficiency airless system, You'll have much less overspray than from most similar models, which was a feature we really liked. This powerful sprayer is rated for up to 300 gallons of paint annually. Cleaning it is not difficult, although it is admittedly tedious. We do wish it had an adapter for cleanup with a garden hose, but as long as you clean it as soon as you finish your project, the task isn't too bad. The sprayer comes with a 515 tip, which gives a 10-inch fan of paint and is suited to most latex paints. We found it worked well with our paint. However, there are 5 other sizes sold separately should you need a larger or smaller tip. Graco Ultra Cordless Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer. While this battery-operated paint sprayer from Graco isn't the best choice for large-scale painting projects like painting an outdoor deck or an entire room, it's an excellent tool for smaller projects that require speed and quality results. During our testing, we used the tool to paint an interior door and a built-in desk and were highly impressed with the professional-looking results, which were smooth and even. The sprayer has a 32-ounce paint canister and comes with 6 liners, making cleanup easy. Because our project was small, we didn't need to refill the canister, but it might be annoying on a larger project. You can adjust the pressure to control the speed of the spray. At first, we had it set too high and found that the sprayer used a lot of paint and wasn't entirely even, but once we figured out the ideal setting, we loved how easy it was to achieve a very smooth coat of paint. We did note that the sprayer can drip a little bit when running low on paint, though. While we had a bit of a learning curve, we quickly got the hang of using the sprayer thanks to the very helpful instructions. The sprayer comes with 2 DeWalt 20-volt batteries and a charger, so you can have one in use and one on the charger ready to go. According to Graco, you can spray up to 1 gallon of paint before needing to recharge the battery. We didn't need to swap out batteries during our tests. We cleaned the sprayer in a sink filled with hot water and had excellent results, but of course, like all paint sprayers, cleanup is the most tedious part. This sprayer comes with a Graco FFLP 514 tip, which is good for many projects, but if you need a tip for finer work, then Graco has a wide range of other sizes to choose from. Wagner Pro 130 Tank Paint Sprayer. This stationary paint sprayer is easy to use and provides a very smooth, even coat of paint without any sputtering or spitting. We used it to paint several wooden beams, applying a coat of primer and a coat of latex paint, and were very pleased with the final results. We were glad to see that it produces less overspray than the majority of other airless sprayers, as overspray may make a big mess. Generally speaking, an airless paint sprayer produces more overspray than an HVLP paint sprayer because of the greater pressure. However, we do wish this model allowed the user to adjust the pressure, as we ended up using a lot more paint than expected. Unlike most airless paint sprayers, this one does not draw paint directly out of the can, but instead has a hopper that can be filled with up to 1.5 gallons of paint at a time. We had to refill it once during our painting session, but it was easy to do. While the trigger on the sprayer must be held down the entire time paint is being dispensed, it didn't fatigue our hands, and we found the handle to be comfortable to hold. The sprayer comes with a 25-foot hose but can support up to 50 feet if you are painting a much larger area. It also comes with one 515 tip, which is a good size for most typical painting projects with latex paint, but it can also be used with 4 other tip sizes, which are sold separately. Wagner recommends an annual usage of up to 50 gallons of paint. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.